Hello everyone, welcome back to the best your Vietnamese channels. Just like many times before, click like, subscribe, share, comment, feedback, Zalo, Facebook, Gmail us, you feel free. Thank you. So the topic today again is the last letter of the Vietnamese alphabet. Because I used so many times before do the reviews, I will not do it once again. Right now we will jump straight into the concept. And here you finish the alphabet letters because it's so boring, you know. So first, go to n.wikipedia.org in the chart type out Vietnamese alphabet. And we already learned on the lesson before, so check out my old video in the playlist Vietnamese alphabet. I will do again because it's so boring. I said enough. Now we have, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 last layer. The O, V, let's say, and EI. So, to pronounce them, just follow my guide, you know. First is the O, you see. The letter U letter here to the O. Wait. Okay. Let's try pronouncing 2O with an up tongue and stretch your voice and then set right out. Ooh. Okay, good. Thank you. Now for the O. You see the O, this is like the U with the right mark on the head, you see. O. Okay. So the pronouncing the up tongue, stretch your voice. There you go. Now for the V. You see, the letter just like the V in English. You see, 2V, big V and small V, okay? The very pretty simple. Just pronounce the V with an E with an H. Up tongue, not so many times before, and straight. So boring, but you have to grill, my friend. You have to grill. So, the. That's it. Go to the left. Now for the say. You see the letters just look like an X in English, big X and small X in the say. And the one items is very simple. Just you made for us, okay? S-E-E up straight, okay? Sorry. Down. Up, C down. Follow me. Let's see. Okay. The last letter that we are waiting for so many times, the letter that we are trying to yearn for, the letter that inspires to make a perfect pronunciation. I give you E, the Y. You see the Y. Just like the Y in English, we call it E. So the Y pronounced just like E. Follow me. E. Remember, E is up. Oh, sorry. E is up and is down. Okay. So follow me. Once again. E. There you go. Okay, friend. Finally, we finished pronouncing on the letter in the alphabet. Congratulations to you guys. What a journey that we have been going through. And we just set in another learning journey in our next videos in Vietnamese language. The next topic will be simple stuff like number or kindergarten Vietnamese for child, just looking for my video. Okay, I will try my best to teach you the great stuff in our culture and help you learn more about our history, our language, and our cuisine, and many more interesting stuff. Okay, bye my friend, and I wish you a great day. Thank you for watching. Tạm biệt, cảm ơn đã theo dõi. Bye.